welcome back to Bunters, and in today's video we'll be announcing the winners of our 1000 subscriber giveaway and also updating you on some new features that YouTube have added to our channel. So we had a great response to the video. Lots of you left comments down below saying whether you wanted the red or the blue dapol fruit van. We've decided there were so many people entered that we're going to give both away. So using the very latest of our random selection technology, we have selected our 2 winners and I'll be announcing those at the end of this video. But first of all, I just want to let you know about a new feature that YouTube have added to our channel. Now if you pop over to the home page of Bunters Yard on YouTube, you'll see there's a new tab that says membership, and this allows you to get directly involved with the channel and the things that we do. And you can choose which level of membership that you want to go for, and each one will give you different benefits. But let me tell you quickly a few of the features that you'll unlock if you become a member or a fan of Bunters Yard. So if you join us at level 1, the Bunters fan level, you will get the following. You will get a badge by the side of your name in any comments that you leave, and special emojis that you can use just for us members. You'll get a shout out on every new video for as long as you remain a member. And you'll also get access to the members area in the community section, where there'll be video previews, special members polls, and also some special offers such as giveaways and discounted merchandise. So if you join at level 2, which is our super fan level, you'll get a few extras plus all of the stuff you get in level 1. So the first additional benefit is that you'll get access to every video that we put up for at least a whole day before the general public get to see it on YouTube. So we're quite proud of the fact that we've managed to reply to every comment that anybody's ever left on the channel as far as we're aware. But we want to make sure that going forward, as we get busy, we get more and more comments, that our priority is to reply to our members' comments. And so level 2 members and above will get a priority reply to any comment they want to leave us. But my particular favourite of the superfan level is if you choose to have one of your wagons or pieces of rolling stock weathered by us, which you book through the Bunters Yard website, the link down below in the description. We will not only weather that for you, but we'll make a video, give you a shout out and upload that to YouTube so you can watch the whole process from start to finish and have a unique video just for you and your piece of rolling stock. And finally, if you choose to become an ultimate fan, you'll get all of that stuff we've just mentioned, but you won't have to pay for your weathering. Included in that membership fee, we will weather 1 item of your rolling stock per month, and again we'll upload the video and give you a shout out on each one so that it'll all be completely unique and individual. Now obviously there is a cost for this, and if you pop over to the membership tab on the home page, you'll see that all broken down for you, all the features and benefits and how much it's going to cost. But it literally just starts from a few pence per day, and everything that we get in our membership fees will be put back into the channel so we can buy new rolling stock or products just to bring you better videos and more content on Bunters Yard. Now I realise that not everybody is going to become a member of the Bunters Yard channel, but rest assured, even if you don't, nothing will change. You'll still get the same amount of content every week. We'll still upload once or twice each week as we've been doing over the past few months. But anyway, back to the giveaway. So we had such a great response. Lots of people left comments down below saying whether they wanted the red or blues, left some lovely comments. Even if they didn't enter, it was great to hear from you. So I decided to give away both the red and the blue dapol fruit van, which have been weathered by us, and you may have seen the video of that. So the red one has been won by Matthew Gilks, and the blue one has been won by a subscriber called Empress Path, and we're going to get these on their way to you in the next couple of days. We'll be in contact and we'll get some details and we'll get them on their way. So thank you to everybody that's watched this video. Thank you to everybody who left a comment on the giveaway video, and a special congratulations to the 2 winners of the dapol fruit vans. If you're interested in becoming a member, pop over to the membership area, choose your level, and we'll see you in the members area of the community section. So until next time on Bunters Yard, stay safe, have a good day, and we'll speak soon.